Hey Ring neighbors! Today we're taking you through how to set up your Ring account. First, visit ring.com/app from your device so you can download the Ring app. Once you've downloaded the app, be sure to allow notifications. Then tap Create Account and enter your first and last name. Now select your country, then enter and confirm your email address. Create and confirm your password. Keep in mind that a Ring password must have at least 8 characters, including upper and lowercase letters, at least 1 number, and at least 1 symbol. We'll prompt you to try again if your password's too easy to guess, if it includes your name or email username, or repeats a previous password. Within a few minutes, you should get an email from us to verify your email address. Tap the Verify Now button in this email, and then return to your app setup. Here you'll have the option to link your Amazon and Ring accounts. Linking accounts lets you integrate features like hearing Ring alerts and answering the door through Alexa devices. Please note that if you link your accounts, anyone with access to your Amazon account can also access your Ring devices and videos. Now it's time to set up two-step verification. Anytime you sign into Ring on a new device or browser window, we'll send a 6-digit code by text message to the phone number you provided. This two-step verification alerts you to new login attempts and ensures your authorization. When prompted, enter your phone number. We'll send you that 6-digit code. Enter the code and select Verify. Now you're all set with two-step verification. Next, it's time to set up your location. You can choose home, business, or a residential or business job site. Begin typing the address where you plan to use your Ring device, and when ready, select Use this address, or edit the address if necessary. Give your location a name, and select Save Location. You've created an account. Welcome to Ring. Want more information? Check out our Help Center and Ring community on ring.com. With Ring, you're always home.